Hi guys, so I'm going to show you my skincare version 1. For my facial cleanser, I use this CeraVe Renewing Salicylic Acid Cleanser because I do have sensitive skin and I have breakouts. Almost done with this one, but I have a backup, so don't worry. This is a really good one. After I cleanse my face with that, I tone my face with my Clinique Clarifying Lotion. I get mine from Marshall's because it's a lot cheaper. And for another toner, I spray my face with the HA/BHA Clarifying Treatment Toner from CosRX. I remove my makeup using the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. I also have my Mario Badescu Dyeing Lotion if I have a very naughty, stubborn pimple. I also cleanse my face with Clean It Zero if I have a heavier makeup. For my serum, I use the Misha Super Aqua Hyaluronic Acid. This is a good one, I'm telling you guys. It makes your face look glowy and hydrated. If I have a lot of breakouts, I also apply Innisfree Green Tea Seed Serum. This is also a good one. And I also use Drunk Elephant Bee Hydra Intensive Hydration Gel. And I have a vitamin C serum. This is from Botanics. No effects, just finishing this one too. I also have their night cream. Smells nice, but not really that much of an effect. For my lips, I use a Vaseline, cocoa butter, healing jelly, or my Laneige lip sleeping mask. For my eye cream, because I use eye cream every day, especially when doing makeup, it makes your concealer stay longer and it doesn't dry out your under eye. This is from First Aid Beauty. I do have an eye balm from Dr. Hauschka. It's also nice. And this is a skin balm from Misha if you want a glowy makeup. And if I also want an uber glowy makeup, I use the Laneige Glowy Makeup Serum. For my sunscreen, I use the Aveeno Protect Plus Hydrate SPF 70. Especially now that it's summertime, you really need that extra protection. I just have my Batiste dry shampoo, my Chi hairspray, and just my everyday normal body lotion from Palmer's. My Olay, this is one brand that I cannot live without when it comes to moisturizer. And my Hada Labo from Japan. I have a lot of backups of this one at home. So this makes your skin look bouncy and dewy and healthy. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching.